Welcome to our office and work life session. In this video, we'll be exploring a comprehensive collection of essential phrases for navigating the daily life of work and the office environment. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out in the workforce, mastering these phrases will help you communicate effectively and confidently in various workplace situations. From professional greetings to discussing tasks, projects, and deadlines, these expressions cover a wide range of topics commonly encountered in the workplace. By familiarizing yourself with these phrases, you'll not only improve your communication skills, but also enhance your overall effectiveness and productivity at work. So let's dive in and equip ourselves with the language tools needed for success in the workplace. 1. Good morning, everyone. I hope you're all doing well today. 2. Let's kick off the meeting with a quick agenda review. 3. Could you please provide a status update on your current projects? 4. I'd like to discuss the upcoming deadlines for this week. 5. Is everyone clear on their roles and responsibilities for the upcoming project? 6. Thank you for your hard work and dedication to this project. 7. We need to brainstorm some new ideas for our next marketing campaign. 8. Let's schedule a follow-up meeting to review our progress. 9. Does anyone have any questions or concerns they'd like to address? 10. Don't forget to submit your expense reports by the end of the week. 11. I'll need your input on this proposal before we finalize it. 12. Can you please double-check these figures for accuracy? 13. We're experiencing some technical difficulties. Can I take a look? 14. Let's schedule a training session to familiarize everyone with the new software. 15. I'm pleased to announce that we've reached our quarterly goals. 16. It's important to maintain open communication with your team members. 17. We'll need to reschedule the meeting for later this afternoon. 18. I appreciate everyone's flexibility and cooperation during this busy time. 19. Let's prioritize our tasks based on urgency and importance. 20. Remember to update your calendars with the latest meeting schedule. 21. Could you please provide a detailed report on your findings? 22. Let's discuss some strategies for improving efficiency in our workflow. 23. I'll need your feedback on this presentation before tomorrow's meeting. 24. Don't hesitate to reach out if you need any assistance or support. 25. I'm looking forward to collaborating with each of you on this project. 26. We'll need to delegate tasks accordingly to ensure timely completion. 27. Let's schedule a team-building activity to boost morale. 28. I'm impressed with the quality of work you've all been producing. 29. Remember to respect each other's time and opinions during meetings. 30. I'd like to recognize NAME for their outstanding contribution to the team. 31. We'll need to reevaluate our strategy in light of recent developments. 32. Can someone please take notes during the meeting for reference? 33. I'm confident that we'll overcome any challenges we encounter. 34. Let's aim for excellence in everything we do. 35. Don't forget to proofread your emails before sending them out. 36. I'll need your input on this decision before we proceed. 37. We're running behind schedule. Let's pick up the pace. 38. I appreciate your patience as we work through these issues. 39. Let's explore some alternative solutions to this problem. 40. It's important to maintain a positive attitude, even in difficult situations. 41. I'll need to consult with NAME before making a final decision. 42. Let's set SMART goals to ensure clarity and accountability. 43. I'm confident that we can meet our targets with teamwork and dedication. 44. We'll need to address any conflicts or misunderstandings promptly. 45. I'm counting on each of you to do your part in this project. 46. Let's leverage our strengths to overcome our weaknesses. 47. Remember to update the shared drive with the latest documents. 48. We'll need to coordinate with other departments for this initiative. 49. I'd like to propose a change to our current process for efficiency. 50. It's important to celebrate our successes and learn from our failures. 51. Let's schedule a team meeting to discuss our progress. 52. I'll need to review the budget before approving any expenses. 53. I appreciate your attention to detail in this matter. 54. We'll need to allocate resources wisely to meet our goals. 55. Let's establish clear communication channels for feedback. 56. I'd like to address some areas for improvement in our workflow. 57. Remember to document any changes or updates for future reference. 58. We'll need to adhere to company policies and procedures at all times. 59. I'm excited about the opportunities that lie ahead for our team. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of essential workplace phrases. Remember to practice these phrases regularly to enhance your communication skills and excel in your professional endeavors. Stay tuned for more valuable content on our channel, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for updates on future lessons. Keep striving for excellence, and until next time, happy working.